As health professionals, it's crucial to understand the term arran, which historically refers to a linguistic group that has been misappropriated in various contexts. Moving to it asbestos, this naturally occurring mineral was widely used for its fire-resistant properties. However, exposure to asbestos fibers can lead to severe health issues. When such condition is asbestosis, a chronic lung disease faucet by inhaling asbestos dust. It leads to scarring of lung tissue, resulting in symptoms like soreness of breath and persistent cough. Importantly, the latency period for asbestosis can be decades, making early diagnosis challenging. Understanding these terms helps us better educate our patients and advocate for safer environments.